When you hear the word cancer, you automatically feel like, how long do I have to live?
I've had Hodgkin's lymphoma.
I have breast cancer.
I found the lump myself. I was 41 years old when I found it. I was devastated.
I was going to the doctors and they didn't know what was wrong with me. Dr. Farhar, he kept saying, I know it's something going on. I know it's something. He did biopsies after biopsies. It was surprising that he was taking time out for me because he found it in my stomach. And my primary doctor was at odds. How did he know? I don't know how he knew.
This is your day. It's another opportunity for us to come together in solidarity, to show each other that we do care, to share in your joy and to share in your accomplishments.
We arrived here today and all my nurses from radiation were here, and I got hugs right as I walked in the door, and two of my nurses from out in Belair were at the desk. It was so nice to walk in and see familiar faces. This is the first time I've been here.
And it is so wonderful to see everyone and more people every year, and that's so exciting. And I think that I'll echo what so many others have said. We learned so much from you. I learned from you, from your families. I learned how to better help the next patient I see, and I feel like I've become almost a part of so many of your families, and I thank you for that.
And they guided us to get a little flour, and then they guided us to our table, and it was like really being waited on, you know. It was exciting. I had my granddaughter with me, and we had a wonderful meal, talked to wonderful people.
I think the word survivor means different things to different people. For me, when I think of survivor, I think of somebody who has persevered and somebody who's endured despite the obstacles that have come their way.
This year I was able to come and came in and look, it was like, wow, all these people are going through the same thing that I was going through at one point. And it was just not good, but it was kind of like you're not by yourself. There's so many people that you don't know that's going through cancer.
On the one hand, we know that there are about 15.5 million people in this country who can call themselves cancer survivors. And that's great because it means people are living longer and better and quality of life is improved. But at the same time, we'd like to have that number decrease by decreasing the number of people diagnosed with cancer.
My hospital family is not just staff. They are my family. They are my family. And I love people. I always did love people. But this just makes me push harder, and now I know my purpose. It's just to be there for someone.
You guys are tremendous inspiration.
It's so nice to see these smiling faces of everybody here. Everybody here is a champion.
I also want to thank each and every one of you, the survivors, for teaching us, teaching me on what it takes to become a survivor, how to deal with this disease, treatment.
Today is one day that we're celebrating together, but every day is absolutely special.
Now that was the highlight. When I saw Dr. Mohabitash, and she knew exactly who I was. It called me by name, Mashallah. When you got a doctor that sees so many patients, and she can call you by your name, that shows dedication and love.
I have received so much love. And through that love, it has empowered me to be strong.